Grain and livestock markets closed mixed Wednesday. This is the American Ag Network. I'm Corryn with this closing market wrap-up. Soybeans rocketed higher Wednesday morning as traders reacted to renewed optimism around the Chinese demand following a surprise phone call between President Donald Trump and China's Xi Jinping. At midday, soybean futures were up 30 cents while corn and wheat were modestly higher by 2 to 3 cents. The rally was sparked less by the call itself and more by a social media post from Trump, who described the conversation as excellent and referred discussions around additional Chinese purchases of U.S. agricultural products. Trump's post suggested that China may consider lifting U.S. soybean purchases to 20 million metric tons for the current season, while reaffirming a 25 million metric ton commitment for next season. While the statement was loosely worded, the market interpreted it as a potentially meaningful step beyond the existing trade framework. Livestock futures closed mixed, with lean hogs ending the session in the red. Cash cattle trade remains quiet across the plains, with no bids or asking prices established and significant business likely delayed until late in the week. Steady to higher prices are still favored. Hedger's Edge estimates average beef packer margins at negative $194.15 per head, an improvement from earlier in the week. Taking a look at closing numbers, March corn up 1 at 429.5. March soybeans up 26.5 at 1092.25. March wheat down 2 at 526.75. March Kansas City wheat down 4.5 at 530.25. March Minneapolis wheat down 2.25 at 566. Moving over to the livestock complex, we've got February live cattle up 20 at 240.52. March feeder cattle up 215 at 370.07, and February hogs down 55 at $88. Thanks for joining me for this closing market wrap-up. I'm Corryn with the American Ag Network.